dreams. We all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
Good morning. We are on the border of Western Australia. We started yesterday from Darwin, drove like 50 kilometers close to the border, camped there, and now we're gonna go and cross to the western. We arrived in Kununurra after the border, and from Kununurra, just like 11 minutes, there's a beautiful water crossing. So that's the start of the Gibb road, and I'm really excited what we can see on the other side. Let's check it out. First we tried to go to Emma Gorge, but it's already closed, so we have like end of September. We are kind of late. First stop would be Swedish Springs. So from the CBD Falls, just like a little gravel road, really like more sandy road. I'm standing in front of the Cresta water crossing, and it's like bonnet deep. And I have a snorkel, but the snorkel is not really like sealed, and all the doors, I'm like kind of scared. I flood my car, so I don't gonna cross this lake. And we're gonna walk. If you're like on the main pool with a little waterfall and you want to get further to the main waterfall, there's like a huge rock when you come from there. And go on the left side, it's more chill, it's more climbing. So the thongs was kind of tricky, but manageable. And now we're heading further to the main waterfall. Howdy! We finished the Cresta Gorge. From the water crossing up here is like, I don't know, 20 minutes walk, really chill. And back there's the original car park. From the car park I looked at the watch, it was like 1:20. We took our time, some videos, some photos, and we went to the like end waterfall. So you have like two stages. Pretty walk through the river and then like a big pool. And if you go further to the main waterfall or to the end fall, was really pretty, and we got lucky. We started kind of late, so we was alone there. Was really chill. The trek himself, I would say it's like more on the advanced side, because there's some spots where you need to climb. If you take your time, it's really chill. We did it in thongs, so no problem. Just be careful. And we finished around 5:20, so it took us 4 hours with like a lunch break at the top. Photos, pictures, videos, everything. And now we're heading back. If you're coming from Kununurra and doing the Gibb River Road, the first water crossing you enter is the Pentecost crossing. We are really late in the dry season, so it's really dried out. But I will take my drone up and give you some nice pictures. we stopped in Edinburgh. They're famous for their scones with jam and cream, so I'm starving. We have lunchtime, good weather, beautiful spot here to be honest. Tasty, really tasty. Very good. Little extra tip, if you need to top up some water in Edinburgh, next to the toilets there's a water hose. We just asked friendly if we can top up, so don't be rude, just ask. And they said yes, it's drink water, so we fill up our stuff. So we punched through some kilometers on the quarry road and stopped at the Barnet River Gorge. So that was the Galvin Gorge, like 5 minutes, this type of walk, just really chill, then through the bush, a bit over the stones, not too bad. And the Galvin Gorge, that's so beautiful, the waterfall, then you have a rope swing and everything. And the water had the right temperature, not too cold, but cold enough to refresh you. And yeah, totally recommend it. The sun is already setting, but we are on the way to Epcot Gorge. The track is like kind of 4x4, you just need clearance. Choose the right path, then it's easy.
But if you don't want to tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Here we go. Can I get it for you? Here we go. You can take me there to the end. Whoa, this life is all we know. Whoa, I can't stay if you can't let it go. I never really know what's going on. And even when you're next to me, I feel like you were gone. It's all the things you never show. They're all the things I want to know.
Welcome to Welt Gorge.
Start in your heart so slow. But if you don't want to tell me now, I guess I'll never know. But if you don't want to tell me now.
So we reached Derby. Yesterday we did the tunnel cave, really impressive. There's like a water crossing, we have to swim like, I don't know, 15 meters. It's not really far, maybe less, but so alone I wouldn't recommend it because in the cave there's freshwater crocodiles. So the best would be like together with somebody, and we, because we got car trouble, was on a free campsite, and there was a French couple, and we just had a good night. And then we asked, hey, what you doing tomorrow? And they was, yeah, we do the Tunnel Cave and the Vingana Gorge. So he was, do you have some spare seats we can join and maybe share some petrol? So he was in total 4, and the Tunnel Cove water crossing was really chill, and the Tunnel Cave is so beautiful. And we saw actually 2 crocodiles. We believe it's one, like the same, but we saw like 2 crocodiles and many beds. Then on the way back we did the Vingana Gorge. Really short hike. We expected it a bit longer, but the Gorge is so beautiful. Really like one of the highlights here. And from the Tunnel Cove, the drive to Derby is just sealed road, so super chill, super nice. And now we're on the prison trip.